Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to create a responsive image gallery with real example on remote server. Right now, if you notice, hostandservers.com contains a small image gallery which contains 8 images of bikes. Now we will check the image gallery in this page is mobile friendly or not. Copy this URL, go to mobiletest.me. I will choose Nokia Lumia, paste the URL, go. See, in this device the images are not responsive, which means the image gallery in this page is not mobile friendly. We will check in other devices also. Mobile test me. The small devices will check. Go. See, this is not mobile friendly. Let's go and create a perfect responsive image gallery. It's suitable for small devices to large desktop. Let's go to my project. We'll check what the code contains in my HTML. Right now I am in the source code of my project, and the responsive image gallery page contains one simple CSS style sheet and one simple HTML table control which contains an images, and this is the output of that code. Now my aim is the image gallery in this table must responsive to all small to large desktop devices. So to achieve my requirement, the first thing is I have to add Bootstrap, MaxCD and CSS and JavaScript files between my header tags. In the Google search engine, type getbootstrap.com, enter. Getting started. Here is the CD and links of the Bootstrap. Copy these 3 links, copy it, come to my source code and paste those CDN files between the header tags. Just delete the table control. The first important thing is, whenever we create an image gallery, we need to first add the class called container. Div class, container class. And now the container class assumes the web page contains 12 rows. Div class, add the row class row. And the next step is now add div class call 12. Now the container class contains 12 rows. COL stands for column, LG stands for large devices. The next step is div class is equals to, I am adding the class to display images on large devices. So call LG hyphen 3. I add this class called LG3. It will display images 4 on large devices. Why the images displays 4 means 3 into 4 12. The container contains 12 rows. So 3 into 4 12. I'm adding the image source is equals to, pick URL, bikes. So first image, alt is equals to bike 1, and I'm adding the height 300, width is 200. Now this image gallery contains 8 images. So copy this, paste, add second image, bikes 2. So add up to 8 images. Now the last image, bikes, Yamaha 1, fish. It's time to upload this file into remote server. I just logged into the FileZilla FTP server to transfer my local site files to remote site. And the remote site is at the GoDaddy server. Now again, I'm refreshing this file. Uploaded. Yes. Refresh this page. We'll check the uploaded page on the browser. This is the old image gallery on the responsive image gallery page. Now I'm refreshing this page. After refreshing this page, this is the output I got. First thing, I need to change the height and width of the images. $200, 150. And now I reset the height and width of all the images in the div container. After alter the images height and width on the web page, I just uploaded on the remote server. Just for the time saving, I have not shown to transfer the files again. I'm refreshing after changing the height and width. Here it is, the output now. Now if you check in the code, we just set call LG3, only large devices we have set. Medium devices call MD, I need 4. So which means, so 4 into 3 is 12. So it will display images 3 on medium devices. Yes. Now we have to set for small devices. Call small SM6. After adding the classes large, medium and small, copy this all classes paste on every div classes which contains the images. Now F6, saving the file. After adding the classes for large devices, small and medium, I uploaded the file again to my remote server. Now I will check. Paste the code. The images are perfectly blended. That's it. Thank you. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel.